Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. I have been sick. I am just getting my voice back, but I could not wait to film this video. If you are not familiar, Angie Nyquist is a creator here on YouTube. I have been watching her for years. She does some really intricate eye looks. She is the one that is responsible for getting me into Juvia's Place, BH Cosmetics. I am a big fan. And then she created her own beauty brand. It's called Singe Beauty. Her first release was brushes. Her second release was blushes. And now we have this palette. This is what I have been waiting for, and this is the Galactic Visitor. Hopefully I will keep my voice throughout this video. I want to put two looks together and really find out, confirm, is this palette as fabulous as I am expecting it to be? Because I wouldn't expect anything but fab from Angie. So if that sounds like fun, then just keep watching. I bought this palette with my own money. I will have it listed and linked in the description box along with all of the other items that are on my face. I actually did not put blush on because I wanted to figure out which one of her blushes that I wanted to. Let's take a look at this. We've got a protector, we've got a really nice mirror, and then here are the shades. She has duochromes in here, she has shimmers, multiple different formulas. We have mattes, warm shades, cool shades, lots of light colored mattes. She really likes to put a light matte in her inner corner. I cannot wait to get into this. I'm going to start by swatching. On the bottom we have Eclipse, Milky Way, Orbit, and Encounter. Second row is Infinity, Believe, wow, Beam, and Saucer. Now the top two rows definitely seem warmer. We have Cowgirl, nice dark brown, Hoodoos, I'm not sure what that means. I watched her video, I just can't remember. Soul, which is a nice mustard yellow color. Space Dust. Beautiful gold. Then here is the top row. We have Peace, In, Come. Oh, I just went right on top of In. It was a nice light matte. And then We. I just noticed it says We Come in Peace. Very beautiful shades. Obviously I'm going to do a warm and a cool look. I think I'll do the cool look on this side, and I'm going to start with my Beauty for Real blender brush, and I'll start with Infinity. Just start on that outer corner. Beautiful teal. I'll take a little bit of Orbit. This is on a Beauty for Real contour brush. And take this grayish blue just above it, just to blend, using a super light hand. I'm going to go into this Believe next. It just really wowed me on the swatch. I'm going to go right here. That is beautiful. Texture feels really nice. I think for my inner corner I want to use this Encounter. Definitely a duochrome. I see pinks and blues. I like it. I'm going to go back into that Orbit. Just take it all the way over. I'll take this Morphe A18 and I'll go into this Infinity first, which was the darkest shade. Start over here. Then I'll go into a little bit of Orbit right next to it. And I think I'm going to go crazy on wiping off the brush in between. I'm going to go into this Saucer, which is this pretty mint green, and I'm going to put that inner part of my eye. Just for a little pop. I'll go ahead and add my liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. I love it. I put a little bit of a teal liner on the bottom waterline from Essence. I did take a little bit of my black liner and smudge it out a little bit with this black Eclipse. Loving. Let's move on to the warm side. I'm really drawn to this Peace shade, which is a dark red. Very out of my comfort zone. I just want to play. This is a JennDBeauty E02. And I'm going to just carefully place this here. And I'm just tapping because these are very pigmented, but I'm not having any problem blending. And of course I tapped my brush. I always tap my brush. That is stunning. Wow. I think what I'll do next is I'll take my F13 and I'll go into this Hoodoos, which is that peachy shade, and I'll go right in the center with that. Ooh. I wiped off my Morphe A18 and I want to go into this Soul. So I'm just very drawn to this mustardy yellow. This could be a very pretty matte look. Wiping off that F13, and I'm going to go into In, because I think that would be a nice shade to sort of blend across the top. I gotta get into the shimmers. Maybe I'll take Space Dust, just this gorgeous gold, and I'll go right over the peach shade. I'm getting fallout. That is my fault because I'm going over a matte shadow with a shimmer. I can fix that. I could have wet my finger or my brush. Isn't that pretty? Underneath, I'm taking my Morphe A18 again and going into Cowgirl, just because I want to play with all the colors. It's just a really nice chocolate brown. I'm taking it a little bit above as well. Go back into my Hoodoos since I covered her up before. We'll bring her back in on the bottom. Peach on the bottom. I love peach on the bottom because it helps brighten a dark under eye. And then I think I'll wipe off the brush and go back into Soul, which is right above, and just connect these two. Loving. I'll go ahead and add the liner and mascara, and I'll be back with completed look number 2, and then we'll play with some blush. I'm back. Here is completed look number 2. What do we think? I feel like I'm channeling mermaid over here and bird over here. I think they're both beautiful. I can't wait to play with this palette more. I see even more looks that I can be playing with. I love this shimmering green. Of course, this silver and the black. I did go into and smudge my liner with this Eclipse shade again. Let me show you some of her blushes. I have all 4. We have Persistent Persimmon, which might look really nice over here. We have Risky Raisin, which is gorgeous, maybe over here. Timid Tomato, and then there's this pink one, which is Riveting Rhubarb. I'm gonna put Risky Raisin on this side, and I do own one of her brushes. It is the F06 Angled Blush Brush. These blushes are gorgeous. They have a little bit of a sheen to them. They are pigmented, so I definitely say go in light-handed. Is Risky Raisin, which is like a brownie pink, which is a love. Wiping off my brush, and I will use Persistent Persimmon on the other side to channel that orange and gold and yellow. And that completes the look. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I upload videos on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up, and of course, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. 2 thumbs up from me. Or just leave me a heart to let me know you were here. I thank you so much for spending some of your precious time with me today. I'll see you in the next one.